Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I will discuss whether anyone who invested 10,000 INR in Tata Power in 2000 turns into 55.82 lakhs today. Tata Power Company Limited is an Indian electric utility and electric generation company based in Mumbai, India as the part of Tata Group. What Tata Power do? Energy solutions, renewables, solar roof, EZ charge, EZ home, solar energy, wind energy, conventional energy, etc. If you invest 10,000 INR on Tata Power in 2000, you will get 1,538 shares. That time the share was trading 6.48. Approximately, I will take 6.5. The face value is 10. In 2011, Tata Power give 10:1 split ratio. Every one share is converted into 10 shares. So total number of shares you will get 15,380 shares. Face value now come 10:1. The total shares you have 15,380 shares. The current market price is 363. The total net value of your investment is 55,82,940 INR. Can I get the return like this? If you invest today in Tata Power shares, you will not get return like this. Tata Power grew as a large cap company, but you have to find the future company like this. In the last year, Tata Power gives us a return of minus 4.95%. In the last 5 years, the absolute return of Tata Power is 493.14%. The average return for the last 5 years is 98.62%. Keynotes. Earlier, the few companies are given return like this. Infosys, Reliance, and Titan were the few multi-baggers. If you want the same kind of return, do some research and invest into 20 to 25 stocks. Invest in the early stage and hold it for next 20 years. If any fundamental issue with that stock, sell immediately and hold the other stocks will give you the more possibility to get the return like this. And that's it about the video, friend. Press the like button, subscribe to my channel and follow me for more financial videos.